Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about three basic verbs in English. Am, is, are. They are very commonly used in your daily conversations. They are used to talk about the present time, about today, about now. We will first have a look at the way we should use them in sentences. We use am with I am. Is always used with singular nouns. He is, she is, it is, Kamal is. He, she, it, they are pronouns. He is, she is, it is. Kamal is a proper noun. Still we use is because it is singular. Then let's take a look at the plural nouns. We, you, they and children. With all these plural nouns we use are. So now we can categorize them according to the number. With these nouns we use is and they are singular. And these are plural. Here we are talking about many things, more than one. Here we are talking about one thing or one person. So it's singular and this is plural. Now you can see how we have used these verbs in sentences according to the number. First few are in singular and the next are in plural. I am happy. He is happy. She is happy. It is happy. We are happy. You are happy. They are happy. With all the plural subjects we have used are, and with all the singular subjects we have used singular verbs. And there you see with I we specifically use am. With he, she, it and any other singular noun you use is. Let's take a look at a situation. I am Neela, that is my name. I am a girl, it's about me, I am a girl. And I am talking about you. You are Anil, you are a boy. This is John and I have a friend here. This is John, he is from New York. And this is Rani and she is a doctor. With I we used am and when I am talking about you I use are. I am Neela, I am a girl. You are Anil, you are a boy. There is something very important here. You, when I am talking to you, only one person, still I use are. Because whether I am referring to one or many people, if my subject is you, I must use the verb are. You are Anil. You are a boy. Then again I am referring to John who is next to me. This is John. He is from New York. See, this with the demonstrative noun, this we are using the verb is. Why? It is singular. And then again you have a pronoun, he. Again I am using is. He is from New York. This is Rani. I have Rani with me. She is a doctor. With this and the pronoun she, again I am using the singular verb is. I have my pet with me. This is my pet. It is a cat. It refers to animals and things. It is a cat. Again singular. A cat. A. One cat. This is a cat. I am using the singular verb is. Then again I am referring to something far. That is a table. Again that refers to one thing. A table. Singular. Again I am using the singular verb is. That is a table. It is big. It. A pronoun. Singular. Again we are using is. Another example. I am Dilhara. I am introducing myself. I am Dilhara. With the subject I have to use the verb am. I am Dilhara. and I have my friend with me. This is Rani. Is singular. Why? This is a singular noun. She is kind and helpful. Now I am referring to Rani. She is kind and helpful. I am describing her. That is what you do with these verbs. She is kind and helpful. Is a singular verb. It goes with the singular pronoun she. Now I am talking about both of us, Rani and myself. Now I would say we. It is a plural subject. We are, both of us, we are good friends. Now you can see I have used the plural verb here. We are good friends. Good. Now let's take a look at another example. I have Anil with me, right? This is Anil. Anil is a banker. We are using a proper noun as the subject. A special name especially for him. Anil is a banker. It is singular, so we use is. Anil is a banker. That is John. We have John here. He is a doctor. Again, subject he, singular verb is. He is a doctor. And I am referring to both of them, right? Anil and John. How about them? They are good friends. See, my subject here is they, a plural pronoun, they. I am referring to both Anil and John. Then my verb is are, plural verb. We call them be verbs or to be, right? Now I am going to show you how these verbs are used in short form. We call it contractions. I am, instead of saying I am, we can say I'm. We use these short forms in conversations, in spoken English most of the time. I am, I'm. He is, he's. She is, she's. It is, it's. We are, we are. You are, you are. They are, they are. Now let's develop a sentence. I am tired. I am tired. I'm tired. He is tired. He's tired. She is tired. She's tired. It is tired. It's tired. We are tired. We are tired. You are tired. You are tired. They are tired. They are tired. Okay, I think now you know how to use these basic verbs in a sentence accurately. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you like it, please press the like button, subscribe and share with your friends.